You know, I always found it funny whenever a celebrity would tell me how to vote, what should I think on a certain political topic, what example they're setting for me when it comes to how I should live my life, etc., etc. But do we ever look to celebrities for estate planning? And that's the real question, because today I wanted to talk about Prince, how his estate plan actually blew up very, very poorly because he did not have anything in place. So if you have any questions on how to not be like a celebrity and actually have an estate plan in place, then feel free to reach out to me at my website, www.legionlawpllc.com. The Contact Us page lets you set up a free consultation over the phone. So Prince, he was a great musician. He absolutely crushed it and made way more money than I'll ever make in my lifetime. I believe at the time of his passing, he had tens of millions of dollars, I think almost nearly $100 million to his name, which is quite a bit of money and very, very impressive. Unfortunately, he did not use any of that money to set up an estate plan because, oftentimes people aren't thinking about passing away anytime soon. They're obviously focused on important things like making music in this circumstance. But he passed away without a will, let alone a trust, let alone anything in place. And that caused an absolute disaster and a half because, unfortunately, his family did not get along at all whatsoever. In fact, everybody came out of the woodworks, be it the creditors to the estate, be it the musicians, producers, family members, everybody just saw free money, and tens of millions of dollars, hundreds of millions of dollars is quite a bit of money to declare free. And so people have very little incentive in that circumstance to tell the truth or to actually, do what's ethical or honest. And so they all started saying, hey, I deserve some of that Prince money. And they all started fighting. So when they all start hiring attorneys too, this is the crazy part, all of the money that goes to those attorneys comes out of the estate because this is an estate-related matter. It's not a situation that I pay my own attorney and maybe we get some money, maybe we don't. It's actually money that is spent so that it says, hey, I swear I'm the right person to win all this money, so I need to get defended by the estate. I shouldn't have to pay out of pocket to receive my rightful inheritance. And that's what a lot of people were saying. And so this estate got drained to tens of millions of dollars in legal fees because there was no will in place. There was no trust in place. There was nothing in place. And so unfortunately, even though he had all the money in the world to address this concern, he did not. And the properties, every part of his estate, be it his guitars, be it his real estate, be it his royalties and to his music, whatever it was, every part was fought over and scrapped over. And some people wanted this more than others, wanted that. And there was clans and sub-factions fighting with each other to try to figure it all out. And it's not good. It was not good whatsoever. And that's why, honest to goodness, you should have an estate plan in place, especially if you're worth a lot of money. So, and that's not even to mention the taxes, by the way. He definitely owed estate taxes at that point. So the government got involved as well. So either way, the whole point of the lesson is to have an estate plan in place. If you are a famous celebrity to just nobody who's not even remotely close to celebrity like myself, then you should absolutely get an estate plan because you never know what's going to happen. And trust me, people act way differently when you're alive than whenever you've already passed away, and they're just looking at all your stuff for free. So take that in consideration. It's a warning for sure, and unfortunately a lot of people suffer because of his lack of planning. And it's understandable, like I mentioned, but it is an unfortunate circumstance that a lot of people had to go through. If you have an email, or if you want to email me about this, you can email me directly, Derek, D-E-R-E-K, legionlawpllc.com. Or you can go to my website, www.legionlawpllc.com. So with that, have a great day.